want to put in my hard drive before I put the top on. It doesn't matter how you do it, in which order, but I like to do it in kind of the order I did it in. So again, how you do, only one way you can put in your hard drive, you can't put it in no other way. Put it straight in, push till you can't push no more, your hard drive's back in. Grab your little clip. Again, like I said, when you line it up, you just push it forward and it will lock into place. We can put in the screw, but I'll do that a little later. First, I want to teach you how to put on your case. As you can see here, you got two prongs. You don't want to damage those prongs, so I'd suggest when you put on your case, put it on here so you can line up the three little lines. You'll see it. Line them up. Put her straight over. Put the dot on. Make sure you push it secure. There we go. I'd say you can put in your hard drive screw now if you'd like, just to get it out of the way. Put in your screw. Again, not too tight. You don't want to strip it. Once that screws in, it will lock this little lip in here. It should be locked, yeah, so you can't slide it. Turn it and close it. Then, personally, I like to put in the 4 little screws. Again, you're going to need your little Torx screwdriver. And your 4 little screws. In. Good to go. And now all your long screws.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Badass Beauty and you're watching my boy TKFits09. Don't hate the boy for what he's good at. Be sure to show your love and support by commenting and rating all of his videos. They're worth it. You need to know it. So do it because I said so. Nah, just do it. Just because it's the truth.